from the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Chanhassen, Minnesota, and transmit from the KSTP Eyewitness News Television Tower in St. Paul. The current time is 1:44 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Now the forecast for the Twin Cities metropolitan area.
This is the National Weather Service in Chanhassen with a test tornado warning for Wisconsin and Minnesota as a part of Severe Weather Awareness Week. This is a test. Repeating, this is a test. The National Weather Service, in cooperation with the Minnesota Division of Emergency Management and Homeland Security and with Wisconsin Emergency Management, is issuing a test tornado warning for all Minnesota and Wisconsin. It will be in effect until 2 p.m. this Thursday afternoon. This is a test. Take the time now to determine where you would go to a safe place, both at home and if you are away from home. Once again, this has been a test as a part of the Severe Weather Awareness Week. Also remember that another test tornado drill will occur at 6:45 p.m. this evening.
The state of Minnesota